Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're going to do something a little bit different for you now. We've taken possession of a little Mark II Ford Fiesta. We didn't buy it. It was donated to us by one of our customers who couldn't afford one of his bills. So we took the Mark II Fiesta as agreed payment for the outstanding. Not usually how we do things, but on this occasion it was a bit of a one-off. Anyway, so we've now taken delivery of the Mark II Fiesta, and it actually turns out to be pretty clean. A little 1.1 Popular Plus. It's got some suspect work on the rear arches and some dodgy paint on the rear arches, but apart from that, it's sound. Like, no terminal corrosion anywhere, but like I say, a bit of corrosion in the arches, but underneath looks pretty solid. Engine bay looks pretty solid. The interior is absolutely mint, proper time warp, and it smells like an 80s Mark II Ford Fiesta. It's awesome. So we're kind of debating what to do with it. Originally we were just gonna move it straight on just to get some money back in the bank. But seeing the condition of the example is, then I don't know. Let's put it up for debate, see what you guys think we should do with it. But we're going to start by giving it clean. So Dean's out there now. He's just started detailing it up. Because there it is. It's like a barn find. So it's just like years and years of garage grime. So we're going through it. Just going to put some new fuel in it. There's a fuel pipe we've got to change. Put a new battery on it. Like, just quick check over. See if it fires. Here she is. Dean's working his magic on the old girl. Show you up close, the grime. But as you can see, it's actually fairly straight. Just a few dings, but loads of garage grime from the years. But have a look in the engine bay, and it's all like very original. No rust on the struts, battery tray area or anything like that. So what are we doing first, Dean? What are you actually using to clean off the grime?
So at the moment we've got the citrus wash from Auto Finesse going all over that at the moment, agitating all the sort of areas like this, inside, around the windows. Then once we do that, we'll then rinse it all off.
Look at the headlining is mint. Like, no sagging, damage, even grime or dirt or anything. So according to the clocks, it's only done 33,000 miles from new. And I don't doubt it, to be honest. It's definitely not gone around the clock, I don't think. We've got loads of paperwork to back up as well, so we'll check through all that. But yeah, you can see from the inside, it's not been molested in any way. No stupid speaker holes drilled in the door cards or anything. No 6x9s in the parcel shelf. It's mint. The only thing that probably wants a bit of attention is the rear parcel shelf, because it's just been discoloured by the sun. But apart from that, geez, even the carpets are mint. It is a proper time warp edition in it. Oh, I can see a clip missing. Needs a clip. But yeah, we'll put the battery on shortly once Dean's had a clean and see what happens. That's so satisfying to see all those years of grime just being ripped off. Controversial! Yeah, it's looking right. Inside the arches now looks really clean as well. I mean, considering it's been in a garage for so many years, it's actually coming up pretty good. Even when you, you know, when we're just wiping the cloth over it, it doesn't feel like there's too much grime actually embedded and contaminated in the actual bodywork itself. So apart from the little rust spots that we're spotting here and there, generally just from years of stone chip and road grime, etc. I think it's actually going to come up all right. Now, that's the Fiesta. We've lathered it up with the Auto Finesse car shampoo and give it a coating of fallout remover as well, just to help get rid of any of the extra contaminants there. And it's having its final rinse off now. Then Dean's going to be giving it a quick detail and a dry off with a drying towel. And I'm going to fit a battery and get the exciting stuff going. Right, we've got ignition lights, got choke as well. Look at that, that's cool. Choke light. It's not had fuel in that for a long time. It's got a mechanical fuel pump as well, so pretty well put prime itself. Don't think anything's happening, it's not coughing or anything. Ugh, that's a bit of an anticlimax. Come on baby, come on, you know you want to. Nope. So a bit of an anticlimax there. We're just going to do some pretty quick, easy checks. Firstly, because we've got to get going as well. So we know it's got fresh fuel in it. I've changed the fuel hose. We don't know if there's fuel's getting up to the carb yet. So, but first I'm going to check the spark. So, put the spark plug in there, earth it out, get Dean to crank it, and we'll see if it's sparking. Do you want to get? Right, you can see from that we do have spark up there, so it's pretty more likely fuel is not getting through the carb and into the plenum there. So that's something we're going to investigate another day. So yeah, for now we'll cut that video there, and yeah, tune in for the next one.